Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best plastic welder on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Indextop H50 Plastic Welder. Indextop H50 Plastic Welder is a knee-high 50W handy plastics welders garage tools hot stapler machine staple PVC repairing machine. It is a new useful product. It is a staple gun to make staples by yourself. It is an easy to operate product. It is a good product for you to use. Indextop H50 Plastic Welder is the best tool for versatility, reliability and consistent performance. It is made from 7mm hardened steel and features a 3mm thick steel base. Perfect for heavy-duty use, it has a built-in TIG welder and a built-in compressor for 50W handy plastic welding machine. It has an air pressure gauge and regulator for precise control of air pressure. Indextop H50 Plastic Welder is a 50W handy plastics welders garage tools hot staplers machine staple PVC repairing machine car bumper repairing, a highly effective and convenient tool in repairing the bumper of your car. The Indextop H50 Plastic Welder is designed to deliver a smooth and professional finish with its reliable and durable construction. This handy tool can be used to repair the bumper of your car, truck and more. Number 4. Lefavor Q10 Plastic Welder. Lefavor Q10 Plastic Welder is best at home use, which is ideal for plastic welding and plastic repair, or for melting heat shrink tubing, plastics, etc. It is a quiet, low-cost and easy-to-use domestic plastic power tool. It's a good helper for you. Don't hesitate, it's time to choose Lefavor Q10 Plastic Welder. An electric heat gun is one of the most effective tools for plastic welding, bending and forming, and other plastic applications. It can be used in the fabrication and repair of just about anything from toys to laptops, from air ducts to car bumpers. This welding tool is so versatile that it has been used to make parts for everything from aircraft and missiles to medical devices, industrial machinery and appliances. This wide range of applications is due to the fact that a heat gun can reach temperatures ranging from 200 to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit and has the ability to remove heat quickly, requiring the user to be able to control the temperature settings. Number 3. KKMOON LH50R Plastic Welder. KKMOON LH50R is a handy plastic welder garage tools hot staplers machine staple PVC repairing machine car bumpers repairing stapler welding tool. It is used in welding plastic parts which size is 50mm x 50mm x 4mm. If you want it welded in a bigger size, you can use a heat gun to make it bigger. Package included: 1x KKMOON LH50R Plastic Welder, 1x Manual. KKMOON LH50R Plastic Welder is what you should be looking for. A workshop must-have. It allows you to fix, join, seal and weld a wide range of materials. It uses plastic polymers to weld and seal, so you can easily and quickly fix small items like plastic toys, handlebars, soccer goalposts, plastic pipes, etc. Also, it is not just limited to plastic welding, you can also use it to seal and repair other materials such as copper, aluminum, wood, etc. Number 2. Luodabie 50WE Plastic Welder. This plastic welder welding gun kit is a handheld plastic welding gun machine. It is a tool used to quickly fix a variety of different plastic materials. The welding gun is equipped with an adjustable TIG torch handle and a foot switch so that you can start and stop welding in one hand. It is a hand and electric tool and professional repair kit. With the plastic welding machine, electric and hand tools, you can easily repair plastic, broken, cracked, and damaged plastic parts such as car bumper, car tail lamp, PVC pipes, plastic seat, plastic toys, phone case, etc. It has built-in safety features and works quickly and smoothly. Number 1. TywelMaster Plastic Welder. TywelMaster Plastic Welding Gun is a useful plastic welding tool. It is used for joining plastic or rubber material. This hot stapler can easy to be used for multiple purposes. Its application range is very wide. Just like plastic welding machine is extensively used in the field of repairing automobile body parts. It is also used to fix the rubber products and make the old damaged one look like new one again. This hot stapler machine is widely used in the field of advertising. It is also widely used by the craftsman and artist for their daily needs. This tool is widely used in the packaging industry. It sealed the package with the help of staples. It is widely used to make the plastic and rubber parts in the automobile industry. It is widely used in the field of the plastic welding machine. It is widely used in the field of electric welding machine. It is a high-quality plastic welding machine that is available in the market at a very affordable price. It is a boon for the working class who is doing the packaging work. It is a high-quality plastic welding machine that is available in the market at a very affordable price. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.